road trip today. I am going to meet up with somebody and pick up some parts for my truck here that I need. Kind of is the next step, the next progression in my, I guess you could call it my truck build. So it's a little bit of a haul, but I'm kind of stoked at what I'm going to pick up. I think it's just kind of a cool bit of little history about the whole thing. So I'll get into that a little bit more as I get closer. I've got about 3.5, 4 hour drive. Yeah, so hang in there and stick around to the end and find out who it is that I'm meeting up with and getting parts for my build. Trip breakfast. Best around. So we're here. We're just gonna wait. We're, I don't know, like 10, maybe 15 minutes early. We're just gonna wait for the person we're meeting here, and I will show you who it is when he gets here. And here comes the man. So right here, this is MAV.
What's going on, everybody?
This is the truck that inspired me to get a topper, and he's got it all rigged up here. So he got a new rack up here. Nice. Was this a Prinsu, right?
Yeah, it's a Prinsu rack. Yeah.
It's a Prinsu rack, and thing's really nice. So as you can see, I have no rack. So his old rack that was up there is going to go up here. So that is the goal. But I drove a little over 3.5 hours today. I thought it was kind of cool to be able to get his old rack, seeing he's the one that kind of inspired me to start building my own truck. Again.
So I don't really know why Dave wanted to drive all the way out here just for stuff like this, but I don't know, I appreciate it because my garage is getting a little bit full. My parents and I are in the process of moving up to Duluth, and they're a little bit upset with me that I've got their garage full of boats and fishing gear and old roof rack stuff. So appreciate Dave for coming out here, and I wish him well on his big truck adventure, because I mean, I know that how long this took to get ready, and if you guys haven't done it yourself, you don't know how much thought and time goes into each little thing, because when you have such a small space to camp or live in, it gets a little hectic. But he's one more step in the right direction. Now you can put shit on your roof.
I can. I'm stoked about that. So, trip home, getting close to being done here, so pretty much had a good time today. Got to take a drive, meet up with MAV, really cool dude. If you haven't watched his videos or know of his YouTube channel, I'll link it below. He's the one that pretty much kind of inspired me to buy a truck cab and get into the whole truck camping universe. So a really cool dude. Check him out. But it was cool to meet him, to get my hands on his rack. I think it's a cool bonus that I was able to get his old rack, and I'll be able to incorporate that into my my build. It's just kind of a cool little backstory to it. So thanks again, Mav, for that. And on that note, I'm going to try to get some more videos out. I know it's been a while, but stay tuned. Hopefully there's more in store. So get outdoors.